Hi guys, welcome to Knowledge to Grow. K2G में आपका स्वागत है. I'm happy, I'm back. So, are you happy? Are you feeling happy? Or sometimes you feel connected with yourself, sometimes you feel very happy. And this has happened with everyone. Sometimes you feel great, sometimes you feel awesome, sometimes you feel you can do anything in this world. But guess what? This feeling won't long for last. So that's what is all life about. So today I'm going to give you one thing which will help you to get out of, to release off your negative thoughts. So how you can get over all those bad ideas, all those negative thinking about you. It's pretty simple, easy. So guys, this Knowledge to Grow channel is not all about fitness, and you cannot be fit if you are not mentally healthy. So if you are mentally at peace, if you are mentally good, socializing, active person, then you only have a peace in your mind. And if you have peace in your mind, you can focus on anything you can do, and you have a result in your pockets. So guess what? If you don't have focus on your mind, you cannot focus on anything. Let it be your physical, let it be anything. So let's break out another weapon from your arsenal which will give you help to get out of your negative thought from your mind. So what's that? So this instrument which I'm going to talk about is lately becoming very popular with yoga classes, and people are experimenting with this in Western countries. So I'm going to give you this so you can watch this equipment here, over here. I am posted this video over here on this video, and at the end of this video you can watch a little video which I'm going to put out of that instrument, and you can hear that voice of that instrument. So what is I think what I'm talking about? What do you think like that? What I'm talking about? I'm talking about a specific equipment or a specific instrument they call hang. Yeah, it's called hang. It's made by hand. It's look like alien kind of thing. You know, you see this equipment. It's look like it's alien instrument. Yeah, it's like circle. You know, so you feel it. You find it like it's UFO, but it's not UFO, guys. It will help you to connect your soul with your mind. And what we all left behind is our soul. We have to connect with our soul, guys. So when you feel angry, when you feel very anxious, and when you feel what you can call depressed, or you call some kind of feeling, weird feeling you cannot express with anybody, you don't want to talk to anybody, you want to stay alone, and like a typical breakup type feeling. So guys, you listen to this equipment, you listen to this instrument. This instrument is well built, and this instrument give you sounds of life. Yeah, they call it sound of life. If you heard this, you always feel you're connected with yourself. Like, you can try it. If you have a hard time to sleep, just listen to this instrument. Listen to audio of this instrument. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. It will give you relief. It will give you a new vibrant feeling. You have never ever experienced that before. So you just connect with yourself and listen to this equipment. This is very awesome equipment, and I'm just giving you these tips because this will make your life happy, and this will make your life healthy also. And if this video will help you guys, please share. I want this video to get everywhere, to every people, because nowadays we have a work, we have a stress, we have alcohol, we have a bad environment going on there. Okay, we have a bad issues, bad time, bad relationship. Everything is going bad and becoming worse. So stick to this and listen to this, and if it will help you, share and comment on this video, and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy this hang.